Magandang panahon mga ka-tax. Ini-invite ko po kayo na umattend ng BIR Electronic Letters of Authority and BIR Letter Notices Seminars. Ito po yung 3 good reasons to remember. 3 good reasons bakit ka dapat umattend. Number 1 reason is kung tinatanong ninyo yung aking credibility, baka pwede po ninyo itong tingnan. Nasa chairman po for education ng Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry ang nagbigay sa akin ng certificate. Ibig pong sabihin, ako po ay naging lecturer ng PCCI pala, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Reason number 1, bakit kaya atin? The owners, stockholders, directors, and top management have no personal knowledge and experience in handling either BIR Electronic Letter of Authority and BIR Letter Notice. So they agree to their trusted accountants, lawyers, and consultants to bribe the BIR Revenue Officer. Bribing reason. Reason number 2. The trusted accountants, lawyers, and consultants have no personal knowledge, experience, and legal know-how in handling the vicious viral attacks of either a BIR Letter of Authority or BIR Letter Notice, ELA and LN respectively. So they strongly recommend the bribing of BIR Revenue Officer. In that way, they save their faces from being branded incompetent, and earn a friend from a BIR, from the inside of the BIR. Third reason, the BIR Revenue Officer, by their verbal or body language, strongly suggests that the only solution to comply with the language of either a BIR Letter of Authority, ELA, or BIR Letter Notice, LN, is to bribe them, and to bribe them big enough. By this way, they are emphasizing and advertising that they are so incompetent to compute your correct amount of tax. May pasensya na kayo at may mga mali akong itinipe. Nagmamadali. Sorry. Okay, kung gusto nyo pong matutunan at maka-attend ng seminar, ang gagawin nyo lang po ay bibili kayo nitong librong ito, na ako po ang nag-author, para po, ang sabi ko rito, it contains so many legal secrets and passages that shall remove you from the BIR-initiated graft and corruption and lead you to the path of the Almighty God. Save your body from physical stress, save your soul from earthly sins. And bibili lang po kayo noon, 2,000 plus 500 po para po sa buffet na kakainin ninyo sa Sofitel. Ang available po ay pwede po akong, alam nyo ay by 10 po ito . So dapat po ay matutuloy tayo kung may 10 o kung kaya may 20 o 30. Hanggang 30 lang po ang pwede pong kumain sa Sofitel. So ini-invite ko po kayo kasi next month meron po tayong, itong nearest day na to, meron po tayong darating na seminar para sa ELA at LN. Kung gusto naman po ninyong makakuha nitong librong ito, libre din po. Libreng-libre kayong makakuha nito. Wala pong bayad. Basta a-attend po kayo ng aking seminar. Ano po yung seminar na yon? Tax Consultant Course at Tax Accountant Course. Pwede po tayong mag-start ng partnership or cooperation or joint venture para ma-launch ko po kayo bilang tax consultant or tax accountant. Kung meron po kayong problem, scan po nyo yung inyong BIR letters. Anumang klase po yan. At i-email nyo po sa kataxpayer@gmail.com. Puntahan nyo rin po yung aking YouTube channel, Kataxpayer at YouTube. Salamat po!